Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this particular look. This is actually a glowy kind of look which I created for taking a bit of snaps. So if you like this kind of look, then please keep on watching. If you are someone new and looking at this face for the first time, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and support me, and also do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So without any further delay, let's get into the video.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways.
I tightlined my upper waterline and I have just extended it a little bit in the outer corner so
to get away, to see you again.
Actually a trick, guys, especially during photography. People tend to stay indoors in air conditioned rooms, so there is no way your makeup will melt down. To get that glowy kind of look, most of them use the cheaper alternative, which is nothing but Vaseline on the high points wherever they want that dewy kind of translucent look.
And I've been counting days to get away, to see you.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this look. This look is actually very easy to create. It's just that you need to concentrate on what is necessary for you and do those steps alone. If suppose you do not need any kind of contour, or if you feel that your face is very much structured already, then you can skip contouring. If you are feeling that your face is your skin is really clear, you can go ahead with the foundation and skip on the concealer as well. In this video, make sure you hit that like button and let me know how you like this look. So see you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care, bye.